Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I got an awesome show in store for you tonight. I'm going to show you how to access your drum sets on GarageBand, and how to actually change the volumes of each drum piece, like the snare, the kick, the hi-hat, so you don't have to record each one on a separate track. And it's pretty cool. It's like 3 easy steps. So just stick around and we'll get started. Open this page. If not, just hit new project over in the left-hand corner, upper left-hand corner. And we're not going to worry about the tap, tempo, or key signature or time signature. The input and output device, just keep it as it is, or put on your audio interface. This doesn't really matter right now, but go ahead and choose. Left-click choose. We're not going to worry about the first 3 screens. Go ahead and click on the MIDI software instrument. Make sure it lights up green, and left click on create. Alright, here we go. There's your MIDI sounds over on the left here. Now we are going to, you can look up different sounds this way, or I showed how to do this more in depth in other videos. Just check out the link at the bottom if you don't know any of this stuff. But basically, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the drum set I want. I really like this drum set I use called Bluebird for rock and metal recordings. So yeah, and or you can just go and look up the sounds, all sounds here, or hit these arrows to find your sound. And once you've done that, I can click on that sound and it'll bring up all those types of drums, which I like acoustic drums a lot. So anyways, now you got this. Go ahead and we're going to plug in our we're going to plug in our MIDI controller. And if you don't have a MIDI controller, I have other videos explaining how to use your on-screen keyboard, or your musical typing, which is your computer's keyboard you can use to access the drum sounds and other sounds that way. But right now, if you want to check out my other videos, I'll show you how to do that down at the link at the bottom. But go ahead and plug in your MIDI controller. I have a Donner 25 key. It's got drum pads and keys on it. And anyways, it's really cool. So go ahead and you plug it in. It should light up. And okay, plug it in the back of your Mac. There we go. A little loud. And turn that down. Now here are down at the controls down here where your EQs and your how to shape the tone of your drum set, or make it sound like a different room. You can add reverb, all that stuff over in the plugins. But here is your kick and your snare, your toms, hi-hat, cymbals, percussion, on and on. So you can click these to turn off. Say you don't want to hit the toms, you're hitting the toms accidentally, and you don't want cymbals going. You can turn all those off so you don't actually hit those notes. And also, like if your bass is too quiet and you want a higher kick, you just turn it up. So say it starts out here, maybe you want a little higher. There you go. Now snare, a little quiet, turn that up. So you can actually change the volumes, and you don't have to record these like old school, like separate tracks for each one, which is really cool. It saves a lot of time. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it taught you something new. Please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand, if you want to learn some more. Alright guys, I hope you guys learned something. If you want to learn more about GarageBand and how to use it more in depth, please just check out the link at the bottom, and there'll be a link to my channel also. It's called All Things GarageBand. Please check it out. See you guys on the flip side. Ow!